everybody, and welcome to another tutorial in ZingBooks. Today we're going to be going over how to view events, and if you have authority, which means you're a county leader or a club leader, how to add new events so that your club members can view the events you want them to see. Okay, so we're going to real quickly zoom into this area where the county calendar is. And as you can see here, this is like just a normal calendar. The current day, which is today, August 28th, is highlighted in blue in this scenario. And we also have, obviously, the rest of the month. Some of the days have this little dot underneath them. So if you see these, the 27th, the 29th, and the 30th have the dot. Now what that dot means is it denotes that there is an event that's been scheduled for that date in particular. So if you're a club member or a county admin or a club leader, you can click on the date, and as you can see, the event that's been scheduled for that date pops up, so that when you're looking through the calendar, it's easy to see, okay, what's going on during my month and what do I need. Let me click on the dates to be able to see those items. Okay, now if you're a club leader or a county admin and you want to, let's just say, add a new event, you can click on the actual date that you want the event's going to occur. Simply click the new button and this form over here comes up. So let's just say we're going to have a steer meeting. Okay, it's going to be on August 31st. The date's already entered for you, and you can put what time the meeting is. It's really that simple. Click OK, and as you see now on the 31st, if we're clicked on that date and the blue circles around the date that we have chosen, the steer meeting at 2 p.m. pops up. Okay, so very easy to do, as most calendars that we see today online. As with those, we have the left arrow and right arrow, so we can just simply drive through the year and be able to see forward and backwards as far as our months go. Okay, if you did have a question on adding multiple events during a day, you certainly can. If I come here and I say, okay, we have a steer meeting at 2 that day, I'm going to click monthly meeting, and we're going to make that at 6 o'clock. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. And as you can clearly see there, at 2 p.m. the steer meeting is there, and 6 p.m. the monthly meeting is there. So the calendar tool is quite useful. It allows everybody to stay up to speed with events coming up. You can actually come on here to view the events for your club. Okay, so if you have any questions, as always, just email us at support@zingbooks.com, and we'll be happy to assist you. So happy zinging, and we'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Okay, take care.